Hello, friends. Tracy Payton with Whole Self Unity. Our goal is being whole together. Today, I want to invite you to try eliminating decision fatigue. There are 5 easy ways to eliminate decision fatigue. The first one being plan your decisions the night before. This can include meals, your clothes, what movement you want to do. The less decisions you have to make in the morning, the better. Second, do the most important thing first in the morning when your energy is high. Third, maintain your daily routines. Call them rituals and routines and do them consistently. Fourth, focus on self care. Whatever fills you up, you need to focus on that self care because it helps to eliminate that decision fatigue. And finally, simplify. Whether that's your house, your position, your email box, your wardrobe, wherever simplification is needed, do it. Thank you so much. Give us a like or follow to learn more about us. Connect on social media at Whole Self Unity.